I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Today I'm taking you on a walking tour of Île Sainte-Marguerite in Cannes. As you may know, this beautiful island is located off the coast of Cannes and it's a must-visit destination for anyone visiting the French Riviera. The island is full of hidden gems, beautiful beaches, and stunning views of the Mediterranean Sea. The island is easily accessible by a short boat ride from the Cannes harbor, which is an adventure in itself. Once you arrive, the first thing you'll notice is the beautiful clear blue waters and the smell of pine trees in the air. As you walk along the island, you'll see remnants of the fortress that once stood on the island, including the old prison where the famous man in the iron mask was held captive. It's a great opportunity to learn about the island's history and its importance to the French Navy. So, if you enjoyed this video and want to see more travel content like this, don't forget to give this video a like, leave a comment below, and subscribe to my channel for more great travel videos.
They were just trying to get us today. I think they were just trying to get us.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.